chairman of the occasion and our own dear daddy, President Obasanjo, the co-chair, President Jonathan, and Dame Jonathan, let me very respectfully stand on all due and existing protocols. As directed by Governor Jang, my senior brother, let me most sincerely congratulate Professor Mike Ozekhome today as he celebrates his 67th birthday. I use the occasion to urge him not to relent in your effort and contribution in building a better society. As society, our country today needs effort of all, so we do not bequeath our children anarchy and a failed place. So, Mike Ozekhome, I urge you to continue in your contribution and urge all of us to do similar. May God Almighty, who has been with you all this while, and seeing your goodness, continue to bless you, grant you many more healthy, fruitful, and happy years, and continue to bless you and your family and our dear country, Nigeria, always. Thank you, and God bless all of you.